Alright, mate, let's have a look here. LON. So yeah, very interesting. I like this actually. It is, you know, it's tough to know if it's going to break, but like when volatility dies down in a base like this, that is quite often the good time to be accumulating. You know, today the market's getting crushed. This is still strong. It's showing good relative strength. We are starting to come into a bit of a, you know, the white 100. There's a 3-day chart that I'm on here. Volatility is still very small. You know, the problem is volatility small. It can still drift lower, just like it drifted lower here. But the thing is, this looks like a better base. This is a way better base than anything we've had in the past. Like, this is not a good base. You've had this wick here. You know, this is not good. The rest of it's not good. This is a way better base than what we've had in the past. So it bodes well. Now, I think this is what you were looking at. And I wouldn't put on a full position. I would probably put a half position on here. Sometimes this gets rejected out of here, maybe it comes down, stop hunts, and then comes back inside and then makes a move. So if you had half a position here and, for example, half a position on a double bottom, you know, you're going to have a fairly good average, and that's in theory worst case scenario. And then this should eventually work its way up to the red 200. Now that's even what I was waiting on Dodo and ICP and stuff. I was waiting on those moves up into the 200, and that, you know, they're usually 100% gains or more. That's only a 50% gain. Am I on the right chart? Yeah, it's a daily chart. Okay. Yeah, so you said 50% move to the red 200. Yeah, you cannot sniff at that. Yeah, that's getting really tight actually. So that makes me like this even more, because even if it did dip, I think it should recover at some point. It's not that far into this, so I like this for a buy. I would buy a half position probably if it was me buying it. I don't have OKE, but if it was me trading this, I'd probably put a half position on here and be prepared to add $1.50 lower, just in case, you know, things roll over. Bitcoin is weak today. What if we get continued sell-off? But overall, I like the development of this. It looks pretty good. On top of that, you can see we've had capitulation volume right down here, and we're trying to put a bit of a base and a bottom in below that capitulation volume.